Welcome to 581 McLeod Hill Road. I'm Marissa Boone with the Rebecca Steeves Realty team, and today we're touring this beautiful 4-level home. The main floor hosts an updated kitchen, the dining room, and the spacious living room. Next, the upper level offers 3 bedrooms and 2 renovated bathrooms. Finally, the lower level offers additional living space, including a 4th bedroom and a 3rd full bathroom. And here we have access to the attached double-car garage. This level also accesses the basement with workshop and plenty of storage. Thanks for watching. For more information on 581 McLeod Hill Road, visit frederictonhomes.com.